Is your backyard deck weathered and worn? I recently met a couple whose deck was so bad they thought it was a goner. Reviving it, though, was a snap. At first glance, it doesn't look good. Ay, 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 ay. The deck boards are splintered and faded, some are twisted out of place, and nail heads are popping up all over. But in spite of it all, I think this deck can be saved. First, we go to work on the twisted boards, removing the nails with a nail puller. Now this is my high-tech deck board straightening tool right here. What I've done is taken a 2x4, cut a notch out of it, and this is how it's going to work, I hope. This slips right over the end of the twisted 2x4 like this.
Oh, that's a great idea.
We force the board into place and secure it with 5-inch screws. Next, we turn our attention to those popping nails. The ones we can grip with the nail puller, we remove, replacing them with nails that are thicker and slightly longer for better holding power. For the nails that are just slightly high, we use a drift punch to countersink them. Next, we clean the deck with a deck wash and brightener. We apply the solution with a garden sprayer and follow with light scrubbing using a long-handled brush. After about 15 minutes, we use a pressure washer to rinse off the solution. Now, to protect the deck and keep it looking good, we'll once again use a garden sprayer, this time to apply a sealer. The sprayer allows us to put on an even coat quickly. This particular sealer goes on milky but dries clear. So don't give up on that deck. Even the most dingy can be made to look nearly as good as new in a couple of hours.